What is up, everybody? Res M3 here, back again, and today we got a good one. Been waiting for this for a while. I got my assistant V. He's gonna help me out today, but we're gonna be installing some SSR high flow intakes right here. Again, featuring my garage landlord's car, even though I messaged her, she didn't move it, so oh well. And then we got Grant here, just showed up to help us out. But I'm gonna be linking down below where I bought these from, and then they also have a video on how to install it more in depth than what I'm gonna be providing. Because what I'm gonna do is like a little time lapse and then just here before and after. I won't get any driving clips this video, just because I'm on Benny's wheels while we wait for mine to come back. That video is coming up next week, but it's gonna be a good time, all right? So let's go ahead and see what the package all includes. So right off the bat, when you open the box, it's sealed pretty well, painted nice gloss black is the color I chose. And then we got the actual intakes here. They look nice, the steel mesh wool. I got a little imperfection right here, but you won't see that too much. I'll just angle it down. Two of these. It comes with the little hose clamp. Then it comes with the coupler for the lower hose, I believe, and then one washer for the long pipe. They changed the design now, and then 4 bolts for the mat. But let's go ahead and start doing these first. First thing you have to do is take these off. Real easy with a 10 mil. Then you take the carbon fiber strut bar off. Then we start unbolting everything. So we'll get right to that here in a minute. All right. So V had a great idea. He's like, get a before clip. So that's what we're gonna do. So you can just aim it right at the engine bay, Grant. I'm gonna get a before clip so you can hear what the intake sounds like. So that's a cold start right quick. You gotta aim it at me, Grant. I know you can't look, I'm just really pretty, so you wanna look at me instead of the camera, but all right, so that's cold start, so it doesn't let me go over 3 grand RPM, so we're gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna show you a little bit more. That was the before, and now we're gonna start working on this. So I already took off the 2 plastic covers right here. As you can see, it was 3 little plastic 10 mil bolts, nothing too crazy. And now we're gonna start taking off the carbon fiber strut bar, which is, I believe, 8 13 mil bolts right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start that. So it's pretty easy. They come right out. Alright, so we got rudely interrupted there, but we just took out all the bolts right here. It's pretty easy stuff. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set them aside right here on the floor. Alright, you gotta follow me. You're gonna get fired from being the camera guy. Alright, we're gonna set everything up how it was before. Alright, keep everything where it's supposed to be. And then you can aim it right there. What you wanna do, just like in the tutorial video, is you're gonna go ahead and lift this flap up carefully. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna lift this up.
This one too?
Oh, you gotta take this off right quick. I forgot. Wow, that was loose.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Damn it.
You just can't get
no,
into
it's
it.
not.
So
It's
they
on
put
the
that
fucking
wrong.
skid tray or whatever. Oh, motherfucker. Shit.
Jack your car up, dude.
Alright, so we're gonna have to jack the car up to get that bolt out, but fuck. Alright, so you just lift it up and you're gonna carefully slide it out here. Wow, this is a nice piece of carbon fiber here. And we're gonna just set this down over here so it doesn't get scratched or messed up or anything. Alright, we'll get on to the next part once we get that bolt from under there. Right, so you can come over here. We're gonna start removing stuff. I'm hoping that maybe I can get to that lost sole that fell down there. But you take a flathead right here to remove the mast, and you're just gonna lift up slightly and then pull it out. And then you'll just set it to the side. And then we're gonna just come over to the other side and just do the same thing. Well, I got the flathead out, lift up, pull it out, and just put it right there to the side. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the bolt, which I believe is the 6 mil. We'll just check right quick. Of course, the only one that I don't have right now is the 6. Oh, that's right here. Let's see. So it is a 6. I'll go ahead and get the little attachment piece here. Connect this up, put it on my handy dandy tool. We'll get right to it. Just loosen this up. Now that that's loose, don't want to drop anything else. We're gonna kind of be doing the long one first, just because it's easier. This piece is already off there. Once we're done with that, I think you can just kind of, oh, you got to take your flathead tool again. A different flathead. And no, you don't even need a flathead for this. You just kind of gotta squeeze on the sides and pull this little intake piece out. And then this thing should just wiggle right out. Just get it right here. Just lift right here and just like that. First intake piece is out. So give us a good opportunity to kind of clean around in here. But we'll set this to the side right here. Alright, and then we'll get back when we get there. Alright, so one trip to AutoZone later. V, pass me the magnet tool. Where do you put it at?
Right there.
We have to get this stupid magnet tool because this stupid bolt fell into no man's land, but it's all good. We found it. Now we're moving on to the next intake, so come with me over here. Same deal, just a 6 mil. Oh, I gotta loosen her up. Put that down, and then it should just pop right out, just like that. Just gotta wiggle it out. What the hell? Get it here. Alright, and
Second one.
we wiggled it out right here. Nice and snug out there. Got it out. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the actual installation part. First thing you want to do is, or what I'm going to do, is I'm going to go ahead and take off the mast sensors from the stock one and just go ahead and install it on the new one right quick. So we'll catch you back up when we get there. Right, to the rescue, went to go get these Allen keys because the new hardware has the Allen. So the old one is a T20. You got to take them out. We're not going to reuse this hardware just because the new one brought new hardware. So we're going to go ahead and use the one that they provided. And I'm gonna just put it like this for reference so I can take it out and then immediately just transfer it over to the other one.
To the audience.
So we'll go ahead and pop this out.
Way. It's like, you, I love you. Now let me
In
play
there
some
pretty
beautiful
good.
music. You know, so there's this feeling
Pop
like
that out. We'll come over here.
they're gonna do whatever they want and assert their own will and not worry
New
about
one. We're just gonna slide it right in,
Whatever. Yeah, the wonderful thing about that is
right
that
into place.
it speaks to people.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that.
Right there, nice and snug. As you can see, once we tighten it down with our new hardware, which is right here. Hey, this is the only hardware that they include. Their video has the old set that had like a bunch of washers and stuff. This one only includes the hardware for the maps, and then one washer for the long piece of the intercooler, which I'll be showing later anyways. But what you want to do, you just take it in there, slide it in, align it nice and right. Go ahead and hand tighten it first, so you can't hand tighten it anymore. And then just use your 9/64 Allen, and then just go ahead and tighten it down. Take it around town. You don't want to do too much on one side without balancing it out on the other side. So right there, nice and tight. All right. Once it's right about, you don't want to over torque it, but right when it's nice and snug, then you're gonna go ahead, follow me. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put this piece right on here. I already have the coupler on there, but again, you're just gonna shove it in there. Maybe I need to loosen this piece right here that I already had initially put in there. So we'll go in here. Gonna loosen that up. B, hold this right here. I'll just place that there. We're gonna put the intake in. Get it in there. Nice and snug there. Make sure we have enough room. We'll plug in the map right quick so we can start aligning it. Oh, Bob Saget, it came off there. All right, so we got everything back where it needs to go. Then we got my handy dandy tool. This is by far the best thing I've ever bought. But we're gonna go ahead and push it down, secure it in place. Make sure it's on tighten. Secure this bad boy down. Go ahead. Tighten that down. It's nice and good there. It's not going nowhere on the top part. I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna leave it a little bit loose on the top piece there, so that way we can go ahead and we can install the actual filter. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and grab. Grab this filter right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here. I'm gonna place this right over and just shove it on in there. All right, right there. And that's nice and secure there. I don't believe it's going anywhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. Now that I see everything's kind of lined up perfectly, I don't need to adjust anything else. Now I can go ahead and I can actually tighten down. Okay, maybe don't put the filter on. Backtrack, take the filter off. Put the extension back on. Okay, stop laughing, Grant. And then we're just gonna tighten this down. Gonna make sure that the
You just have to say that you're
And we're
fine.
back at it.
You're
Where's
not
the
really
magnet at?
fine, but you
Yep,
just
we're
can't
back
get
where we
into
started
anything
here.
with your partners.
But we got the magnet, so we just
Here
come
you go.
back once we're fucking done with this. I know I just said this is the best tool, but this is also the best tool, this magnet, because it helped me get that stupid piece back. But anyways, let's go ahead and mount this first one in. You just gotta slide it on down. Just pop her in. put it in there nice and snug. And then we just tighten this down. Perfect, 8 mil right there. So, go ahead and tighten this down. All right, first intake's in. Looks pretty good. Now let's move on to the second one. Right, so the next piece we're gonna do is the long intake side. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna take off the first bolt here, which is where the intake's actually gonna seat on. We're gonna take this piece out. It's on there pretty good. God damn, this thing is on here pretty good. V, come take this off with your big ass muscles.
You want me to assist you?
Yeah, take it out. Let's see if you can do it.
Left, right?
Left, lefty loosey.
No, I can't do it, dude. Let's do
Come
it
on,
together.
no, go. Do it together, my ass. Did you get it?
No, I don't know why.
I thought you were strong.
His hands are greasy. Here you go, you get it, Grant. Here.
Uh-oh.
Try it.
SK sword in the stone right here.
Come ahead.
Go it.
I mean, we loosen it up for you anyway, so. Come on, get it. Get it. Get it, old man. It's slippery.
That's too slippery. It's all them chicken nuggets. Handy dandy tool with the 14 mil. Took this off right quick. We're just gonna leave it there for now. What we wanna do is, again, same thing. We're gonna take the maft off of this and then go ahead and put it on that. I don't wanna bore you with the same details, so I just wanted to make sure you knew that you had to loosen that first. There's actually gonna be a washer that goes in between there. This is the only washer that it includes now, along with the bolts, but you do that and then you just go ahead and follow the same steps as the first one. So we'll probably just kick it back once we have everything in place. All right, so we just got everything done. Be careful when you're putting the maft on. I actually over torqued one of the new bolts that they came with and actually snapped it in the middle. I mean, it's on there, it's not coming off, but it is gonna be a pain in the ass eventually when I do need to replace it or anything. I'm gonna have to tap that out. But we're gonna go ahead and tighten everything up and give you the after clip that you guys are waiting for. So let's go ahead and do that. I won't bore you with the strut tower bar, but let's go ahead and install it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get my reaction now that the car's a little bit warmed up. Go ahead. Damn. You hear it, but the exhaust is so overwhelming. Where did you take it to? 6. Damn, that's loud. All right, that sounded so good. All right, let's get a closer one. All right, just go to like 4. Ooh, sounds good. Sounds nice, sounds nice. All right, go ahead again. Sounds good, sounds good. All right, turn the car off right quick. All right, so that was pretty much it, the install. I'm really happy with how it sounds and the little bit of performance that it does give. So I can't wait to get it on a test drive so we can actually feel or hear it on the road. So see you guys next time. Hey, remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Rez out.